This is the road that leads into that house. There's Table Rock Lake on that side. There's a hospital over here. I came in this way. Jet ski rental, storage room with RV storage if you wanted. See right there. But I want you to see how just beautiful this is in this area. Oh, it's got a steakhouse. All right. Good. Steakhouse. Water sports dealer right there. Boat storage, shrink wrap. No, they don't shrink wrap them here. He said it doesn't snow much here. It does, but he's been fishing on this lake while it's been snowing. There's more lake on the left. There's lake on the right. Another water sports dealer. And here's the more of the lake up in front of us. And we're going to cross over this little bridge. And you'll be able to see all of this once I get home. I got to look up the height of this bridge, but it looks higher than the one I was on earlier. Okay, here's the lake. Look down there. Look down there. Really nice. Oh, wow. And the foundations on the lake houses are rock. That's good. Yeah, this is nice. I'll hold it up there if you can see it. Oh, wow. All of the boat slips all around here. There's a Pizza Hut. Outdoor adventure rentals. A resort. A Mexican restaurant. Yay, that's good. And I'm supposed to turn right up here at YY. We're going to see the second house right now. Just me. But this is the area. These are the roads. You know, they're nice. Look at that. Now this house is listed for, this next one is listed for $289. They wouldn't let us see it today. Keep loving, keep praying, God is near. Oh, there was a Lutheran church here too. I'm going to do a video more once I get to the other house. There's another church. Okay. And another church. Wow. Okay, I'll see you soon.